Okay, Leah, let's take a look at your writing here. It says, I'm honorable because I protect my friends and don't snitch at them, on them. I'm assuming you want to say on. Also, me and my friends don't steal and never get into fights because I'm honorable. Okay, you're proving a lot in here for one paragraph. All right? You're proving that you protect your friends. You're proving that you don't snitch. You're proving that you don't steal. And you're proving that you don't get into fights. That's 4 things. Okay? 4 things you need to prove. That's too much for one paragraph. So you need to narrow your choices to 2, probably 2 things that you're going to prove, and then you need to give some ample evidence that actually proves it. Okay? So let's see what you have. When me and my friends mess around in class, we get in trouble sometimes. So I'm trying to protect them by making a lie or being honest. Making a lie or being honest. Okay, which one? Making a lie or being honest. Okay, you need to use examples. So I'm trying to. So I try to protect them. For example, one time. Okay, so you're going to give some examples there. Use some examples. You're going to want to give an example of you lying for them to try to protect them. Then you're going to want to give an example of you being honest to try to protect them. Okay? So both examples. You need an example about you being honest and how that protected them. And you need an example of you lying for them and how that protected them. Okay? Okay, I never steal. Get rid of this. Okay, because you need to prove that you protect your friends and that you don't snitch on them. But I had to tell the teacher. Okay, so you can develop this idea about you, but okay, I don't snitch, but then you tell when you did snitch. Because it was messed up. Doesn't matter. You're still not proving the fact that you don't snitch. So get rid of that. I never get into fights. We're getting rid of that because you can't prove all this in one thing. With the people who respect me and are nice to me, I'm honorable and glad about that. Well, what about with the people that are not nice to you? What about the people that don't respect you? Are you still honorable? Okay. Are you really honorable if you're only honorable to people that are honorable to you? Are you really a nice person if you're only nice to people that deserve to be nice? Or are you really respectful if you're only respectful to those people that you like? Good questions. You need to decide. But you're getting off to, I want you to develop one idea or 2 ideas, okay? And you don't restate. You don't restate your arguments. You don't restate your thesis. Probably because you have several theses that you're trying to prove. You don't restate your thesis. You need to. Okay? Restate your thesis or your argument. Your argument would be that you protect your friends and you don't snitch. Number 1, there's no evidence in this paragraph that you don't snitch. All right? If you want that to be part of your thesis, you need to give examples of you not snitching. If you want to prove that you protect your friends, you need to give some examples of how you protect your friends. And I just gave, you need to expand that out. All this other stuff, you list several ideas and you don't back any of them up with good, solid details. That's what makes writing strong, the details. You just give me several broad statements about how you don't steal and about how you protect your friends, but you don't explain how. Okay? So we need to do that. If you want your topic sentence to be about you not stealing and you not getting into fights, then that's fine. You can get rid of the protection and snitching, but narrow it down to 2 things. That's 4 things. You want to narrow it down to 2 things, and you want to prove those 2 things through lots of good details. All right? If you need help, I can try to help you in class, but we need to revamp this paper and make it better.